Smile. It costs nothing. A simple smile can brighten someone's day. It's a gift you can give in every single way. It doesn't cost a penny, yet is priceless to share. A smile is contagious, so spread it everywhere. When life gets you down and the world seems gray, just curl up those lips and smile away. For a smile is a language the whole world can understand. It's a universal gesture, a warm, welcoming hand. So smile, my friend, is easy to do. It won't empty your wallet. It's free for me and you. A smile is the sunshine that melts the winter's chill. It's tiny act of kindness that can work wonders still. Share this, you'll be glad you did. Just smile.